right, we're finally getting to a room not yet really shown to us here. What's up, baby? Today we are tackling this wall behind me in our girls' room. Aria and Aaliyah have a shared room. Of course, Aaliyah is 13 years old and Aria is 3 years old, so there's a big age gap difference that we're working with. So we're trying to make a room that is functional for two kids of very different ages, but also has a fun design element to it. Pretty much every room in our house has a statement wall or statement ceiling, as in our room. So this is going to be the statement wall here. We're going to do it a fun color. We're using one of Valspar's 2020 colors of the year. But also we're going to show you how to do just a fun DIY wood accent wall with these. And you guys, these are just strips of lattice. But we're putting them on the wall. One of our favorite places, Lowe's. We have one more project to finish before Christmas. Actually, we're starting it today, and it's December 10th. So we've got 15 days, and we're gonna finish it before Christmas, but I'm gonna take you along to show you what we're doing, what we're finding. Let's get shopping. This is where we are with the process so far. We have one line here that goes up there. Now that's gonna be, we wanted to start with one main line that all the rest build off of. So it's not about necessarily pre-measuring or planning it all out. I want it to be a little more organic, but that first line, we wanted to make sure it was at a 45-degree angle. And then because there was a window, we needed to kind of use pieces to make sure it lined up. And that's our starting line. And then you'll see we're just gonna build off of those with like a piece here, a piece there, a couple of pieces this way and that way, and just kind of build the wall from that first line. Once we have that first line, we take other pieces to kind of line up and see where we want it to go. So for example, I'm gonna put one about right here. So we just make sure it's on a 45, cut where we want the measurement to be, and then reattach it with glue first, and then use the nail gun to hold it in place. Then we'll do another longer one here, and then a couple this way. So we just kind of organically start putting them in. It looks so good. Chris is filling in the little nail holes that we did have.
I like using this instead of caulk because it's sandable. Even though some caulks say that, they don't seem to sand very well.
Which we'll still end up using caulk here on either side of the grid, and then also in the cracks here, unless you're using it.
I'm using this if I can, but it doesn't. Just to make it look more smooth.
So this is what the grid will look like, but then it'll all be painted one solid color. Looks good. It's that time, huh?
About time to paint.
Time to paint.
All the sanding done. We sanded all the trash, got some of the residue of the caulk off, and now taped off my window and we're ready to rock and roll.
So this is Valspar's, one of their 2020 Color of the Year colors. It is called Secret Moss. So you can see the color we had was a brighter teal color. This just brings in kind of a more natural color, a more natural element. It's a little bit, yeah, there you go. You can see the difference a little bit. But yeah, it just looks like a more natural green. That's kind of what they were going with the Color of the Year. Bringing in those natural elements, and so I'm excited to get this color on the wall.
getting ready to do our solar shade right here from Levelor. We had it custom cut at Lowe's. Took about 5 minutes, and it's 2 screws for each bracket. 2 screws and done. And then that adds an extra filter. It also helps to filter out the sunlight, so it helps filter out heat that tries to come in Florida. That's a great option. And so I just want to let you guys know we're getting close to finishing the wall.